Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of WordPress. Today we are going to see how can we add gradient glow effect in our WordPress website. To add this feature we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro. I have activated both plugins for my WordPress website and I will add also both plugin links in my video description. Let's get started. So we can see here in our background glow effect. So to add this feature we have used three glowing balls. So let's see how it works. So I have opened a page with Elementor page builder. So to add this feature we need a container. So let's create a container. So we have created a container. So add a background image to it. So select a background image. Let's select this one and make it no repeat, and display size should be cover, and add size to this container. Actually vertical height, we need to add vertical height here. So make it mean height 100 ph. So let's see. So we have created our container with background image. So we need text heading. So I have named it gradient glow effect. Okay, so let's style it, make it white, and typography should be 120 pixel, and text align should be center, and container justified content should be center. So now our text in center of this container. So I repeat again, we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro, to add this effect. So after adding all contents to our container, just click on edit container here. Then now we need to go here in style option, and if I click on publish, so there is no gradient glow or glowing balls here. So if I select MA background effect, so here is a background effect by default is selected default, so we need to select here gradient glow. So after selecting this effect, we can see here by default there is three glowing balls. So we can add more items or copy each items like this. So we can use for now three glowing balls. For an example, I make it more deep, so yellow, and make it this one, and make it also more deep. Okay, so let's click on publish. So we can see there now glowing balls or gradient glow effects are showing. So we can change our glowing ball size, its effect, and also we can set its position x y. So we can increase decrease its size. For an example, make it 400. Also let's make it 400, make it also 400. Okay, 400, and click on publish again. So I can see there, this is how it works. So right now I don't need. Okay, so it should be 400. Okay, 400, 400, 400. So let's hit the publish button again. So we can see size of our glowing balls already increased. So this is how we can change its size. We can increase its blur effect, we can set its position, and we can also add more glowing balls here. So this is how actually gradient glow working. Thanks for watching.